Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Week started with a gap, opening the price above the Friday close price, and then the Monday day has closed completely in a bearish candle. What we can see here, the price has reached downtrend resistance line, and from there the price continued to move down. But on a Monday the price has closed above the Friday's candle, so this was not clear a signal on a daily time frame. But if we take a look on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that there was a bearish pin bar right on the downtrend resistance line format that pushed the price down. If we take a look again on the daily time frame, we can see that the price has closed the day right on the support level here. Just a minute. Right here on the support level 1.08846. So on a Tuesday, the price made a bearish candle that took the price completely down. But if we take a look again on the 4-hour time frame, we can see what has happened after the price has broke below this support line. Here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see here the price break below what we can see here below this support level, then made a retest of this support as a resistance. And here we have on a 4-hour time frame a bearish candle, which was a clear signal that the price should move down. And after that we can take a look again on the daily time frame what has happened. The Tuesday as a day has closed completely as a bearish, but it didn't reach here the demand level here, but the price immediately on a Tuesday right here before the demand zone returned back up, made a reversal, retraced here up to current 1.08846, which was a resistance level. The Wednesday candle could not close above previous day candle, so this was a good sign that the price will not move higher. And also the upper level of this candle is not above the previous day highest level, so this was also a good signal. But what is also a good signal, it was the day on a Wednesday that the price on the lower level is below the Tuesday candle. Then on a Thursday we can see what has happened. There was a pretty big large candle, the large candle that was we can say as an indecision candle, where we have bulls here and the bears here. Let's check on a 4-hour time frame what has happened on a Tuesday. Okay, let's see. We can see here that on a Wednesday, which was a bullish candle, the price took here up to resistance level, and there was a short breakout on the upper level, and then a strong bearish candle that took price down. So we had first the bulls trying to break above, but the price could not close above previous levels, which was also here and here and here. So this was also a good signal. After this bearish candle, the price should move down. After that, the price moved down completely and reached this support level 1.07825. After that, we will see on a daily time frame what has happened. After that, when the price reached this level, it returned back up. There was a strong bounce from this support level because this is a demand zone with lots of bulls waiting for the price to push on a higher levels. But there is also here a sellers that took the price from here, and from here. They have taken the profit out, and this was also a signal the price will move higher. So we have sellers going out from their trades and entering bulls into the trades, took the price on higher levels. After that, on a Friday, just a minute, I want to show you why this has happened, this is strong bounce, because in the previous week analysis I have mentioned, just a minute, here it is. In the previous week analysis I have mentioned that this support level 1.0 0.7825 is a strong support level, and we could see the price could move higher from this level because this is a strong demand zone where the bulls are waiting. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts to break below, but the price could not break below, so we could expect the same scenario which has happened also on this Thursday. On a Friday we can see the price continued to move down, but what is important here is this: on a Thursday the candle has opened here and closed here. The close of this day could not close below these days, which means the price was not sure 100% that it will move down. But on a Friday we had a bearish candle which took the price even lower. What we can see here, the lowest level the price has reached was in the demand zone around this support level. So this means this support, which was a pretty strong support for the 3 days, was broken below, and that means we could see the price moving further down. But what is important here for the next week? It is important that this area is demand zone and support level, which is pretty strong. We have seen in the past the price has attempted 5 times to break below, but without success. So this time, with this strong bounce and reversal here, we could see the price staying a little bit longer here and maybe pushing a little bit higher, reaching this downtrend resistance line and also this supply zone, where we could see the price making some kind of a bearish price action signal that will suggest again returning down. Because of this strong selling pressure, and currently this market overview is bearish, we should look for trades that are in line with the trend. So the trend is a bearish, but to break below this, there should be much more selling pressure than it is currently right now. This small Friday candle suggests that the price will move down, but we also have here a strong demand zone that suggests the price move higher. So I'm expecting to see the price retracing back up here around this level, maybe also around here, where it will find a strong selling pressure, make a break below this support level. The next support level below this is 1.06736, but to reach that, the sellers will need to find much more strength to break this demand zone. If the price breaks below, and we need to see the candle close below this level, as we have seen here in this week. After the price breaks below, we need to find and look for the retest, possibly on a 4-hour time frame. So this should be here, making a retest 1.07825 as a resistance line, looking for a 4-hour time frame bearish price action signal or daily time frame price action signal. Then that will be a good signal that the price will move down. But have in mind that the price will not reach this level easily, like in this scenario. We could see price reaching here around, I think it is 730. Let's see what has happened in the past. Just a minute. Okay, the low levels below this support is this. We can see 1.0756 and also we have here 1.07262. This level is important because what we can see here, it was a low level here for this candle, but also we have here a level that the price reached on a bullish attempt to move higher, and also here the candle that has continued to moving up. So this level here 1.0722 and 1.07273, so it is around 1.072. It is important for the sellers. So this area is around here. So this would be a first target if you are entering into the trade around here. So for the next move, it is good to wait until the price breaks below and make a retest on this level. Or before that, we should look around here, making a reversal and retrace back here to retest as a possible bearish scenario with the price to action signal. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!